northwest to west winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming northwest to 30 knots in the mid-evening, north in the late evening, and then back to northwest after midnight. Brief gale force gusts in the late evening through around midnight. A chance of sprinkles in the evening.
Like you belong to each other.
From a 7-Eleven gas station at 79th Street and Roberts Road in Brisbane, Illinois, around 5:37 p.m.
This evening, Lee and Jay are battle opposites a white 4-year-old boy who weighs 45 pounds and is 4 feet tall.
Liam has blonde hair and black jacket, gray pants with a yellow stripe, white socks, and no shoes.
The Illinois State Police. At the request of the Brisbane Police Department, the Illinois Amber Alert notification system has been activated.
One Oldsmobile Silhouette van with Illinois license L70352 and the United States.
From a 7-Eleven gas station at 79th Street and
Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. Here is the...
What's your street?
2001 Oldsmobile Silhouette van with Illinois license L70352 and the United States. Marine Corps sticker in the back window. Anyone with information should call 911. Back window.